Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily link your TEMU account to your Google account. Now let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is go to the TEMU website on your preferred browser. Go to the orders and account and sign into your existing account. Simply open up the orders and account, and from here we want to scroll all the way down till we find the account security. Now once you open it up, the page will look like this. Now here we find the third-party accounts in the bottom of our screen, and here we see the Google account. Now simply press the link, and what this will do, it will choose an account which you can link to your TEMU account. Now simply open it up, and from there press continue. Now what this will do, it will link the both automatically, as you can see right here, and they are connected. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.